Inside the top 15 mind-blowing luxury motorhomes in the world. Number 15. Tiffin Zephyr. Kicking off our list is the Tiffin Zephyr, which stands as the flagship model in Tiffin's RV lineup. This luxury RV offers everything you'd expect and more, including 2 bathrooms, 4 slides for added living space, a washer and dryer, and a spacious walk-in wardrobe. Its sleek finishes truly set it apart, featuring modern cabinets and a deep stainless steel kitchen sink. For those who enjoy cooking on the road, the inclusion of a dishwasher is a welcome feature. After a long day of adventures, you can unwind in the comfort of your king-size bed next to the gas fireplace. With a starting MSRP of around $700,000, the Tiffin Zephyr delivers on its promise of luxury and quality, ensuring that you get the most of your investment. Number 14. Newell Coach P50. Next on our list is the remarkable Newell Coach P50, a masterpiece crafted in collaboration with Porsche. This exceptional model, celebrating the 50th anniversary of Newell, stands out with its 3 beds and the promise of complete customization, ensuring each RV is a bespoke creation. Elevating its charm, the Newell Coach P50 embraces keyless entry doors and opulent materials adorning its interiors. Both driver and passenger indulge in cooled and heated seats with massage functionalities, delivering unparalleled comfort. The dashboard is a technological marvel, boasting Bluetooth, radio, navigation, a radar detector, and a 360-degree camera operating system. As temperatures rise, the Newell Coach P50 remains cool with its 4 roof-mounted air conditioners, while an onboard washer and dryer unit ensures convenience on the move. When it's time to freshen up, the bathroom exudes elegance with quartz countertops, a standard-sized shower, mirrors, and a sink, ensuring you can maintain your routine with style and comfort. With its unmatched features and meticulous attention to detail, the Newell Coach P50 sets a new benchmark for luxury motorhomes, inviting travelers to experience the epitome of luxury on the open road. Number 13. Liberty Coach Elegant Lady. This deluxe RV is packed with high-tech features that will impress even the most discerning RVers. Inside, you'll find heated floors with 4 zones, ensuring comfort no matter the weather, along with a tankless water heater that provides unlimited hot showers, a true luxury on the road. The bathroom boasts his and her vanities for added convenience and elegance. Adding to its appeal, the Liberty Coach Elegant Lady features wood floors in the galley, living room, and hallway, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The motorhome comes equipped with a bird's-eye 360 exterior view camera system for enhanced visibility and safety while driving. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the iPad Aire docking station and control interface, which allow for seamless control of various features throughout the RV. Additionally, a complete interior and exterior LED light package ensures optimal visibility both inside and out, adding to the overall sense of luxury and sophistication offered by the Liberty Coach Elegant Lady. Number 12. Lifestyle Luxury RV LS37IK. The Lifestyle Luxury RV LS37IK is the true epitome of luxury. Once you are inside the luxurious RV, you find yourself immersed in a world of luxury. The interior features a harmonious blend of wood and leather, adorned with classy decor that exudes elegance at every turn. The spacious kitchen, dining area, and living room are thoughtfully designed with beautiful cabinets, creating an aesthetically pleasing ambiance that is both inviting and sophisticated. Every detail of the Lifestyle Luxury RV LS37IK has been meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled experience, making it a truly exceptional choice for those seeking the ultimate in luxury and comfort while on the road. Number 11. The Heat by Anderson Estates. The Heat by Anderson Estates is an RV that has graced the presence of some of Hollywood's biggest stars, signaling its extraordinary level of luxury. Inside, you are greeted by lavish interiors featuring marble, leather, and oak, creating an ambience of sophistication and indulgence. The spacious kitchen and dining area offer ample room to unwind and entertain, making this RV similar to a spa weekend on wheels. But the luxury doesn't stop there. The Heat boasts luxurious showers, elegant lobbies, and master bedrooms fit for royalty. Plus, with a 24/7 video surveillance system, security and peace of mind are always ensured. Whether you need a deluxe vacation or are looking to host business meetings on the road, the Heat by Anderson Estates promises an unparalleled experience in luxury and comfort. Number 10. Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45 DLQ, $464,000. Priced at $464,000, the Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45 DLQ is a mobile marvel that promises to captivate its occupants wherever they roam. With its cab-forward design, integrated smart wheel steering, and Mobileye touchscreen technology, this RV offers a mesmerizing experience on the road. Inside, you'll find a state-of-the-art soundbar and entertainment system that adds to the allure of the journey. The interior materials are equally impressive, featuring a cedar wood-lined walk-in closet, countertops made of quartz crystal, and porcelain flooring with an integrated heating system. A luxurious shower completes the package, making this mobile home a coveted retreat on wheels. However, with luxury comes a price, and this deluxe RV doesn't come cheap. Number 9. Country Coach Magna 630. The Country Coach Magna 630 offers a luxurious retreat on wheels that goes beyond the ordinary. Crafted from a converted bus, this motorhome boasts a spacious interior adorned with warm-toned walnut accents. A custom-made sofa, large bed, chairs, and washer-dryer add to the comfort and convenience of this deluxe abode. Powered by a robust 600 horsepower engine, the Country Coach Magna 630 effortlessly navigates the road, while a touchpad replaces traditional access keys for added convenience. For those seeking a closer connection to nature, one side of the motorhome can be transformed into a small balcony, expanding both living space and outdoor enjoyment. Equipped with solar panels on the roof, the Country Coach Magna 630 maximizes energy efficiency, ensuring a sustainable and eco-friendly travel experience. With its unparalleled features and amenities, this dream home on wheels offers a truly luxurious lifestyle for those who seek it. Number 8. Monaco Dynasty 45P. The Monaco Dynasty 45P is another king of luxury RVs, born from Monaco's rich experience in creating premium motorhomes. Drawing on insights from Monaco owners and incorporating innovative features, the Monaco Dynasty 45P sets a new standard in motorhome design. Equipped with a brand new Roadmaster chassis and a powerful 600 horsepower Cummins engine, this RV delivers both performance and style. While maintaining its traditional exterior, the Monaco Dynasty 45P introduces many new features to enhance the travel experience. Inside, you are greeted by a luxurious interior featuring a porcelain tile floor, LED ceiling lighting, and a centralized command system for all appliances. The furnishings are adorned with cedar wood lining, complemented by meticulously crafted wardrobes and cabinets. The bedroom offers the ultimate comfort with a king-size bed and memory foam mattress, ensuring a restful night's sleep on the road. Priced at approximately $585,750, the Monaco Dynasty 45P is a true symbol of luxury and refinement, promising an unparalleled travel experience for those who seek the best. Number 7. VARIO Perfect Platinum. The VARIO Perfect Platinum is another motorhome that lives up to its name in every aspect. While the term perfect may seem like an exaggeration, this RV comes remarkably close to achieving perfection. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that exudes magnificence and opulence. The cherry wood paneling and luxurious leather upholstery are bathed in the warm glow of halogen lighting, creating an ambiance of unparalleled elegance. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need to prepare gourmet meals on the go, while the bedrooms boast ample space for entertainment units and feature 32-inch LCD TVs. With its combination of lavish amenities and exquisite craftsmanship, the VARIO Perfect Platinum truly embodies perfection in the world of motorhomes. Number 6. Newmar King Aire. The Newmar King Aire is a motorhome designed to set the standard in its class, and its name certainly lives up to its reputation. Boasting a 600 horsepower Cummins ISX turbo engine mounted on a custom-built Spartan K3 chassis, this RV prioritizes safety, comfort, and control. Its signature full-paint masterpiece finish protects the exterior from the elements, ensuring durability and longevity. Step inside and you'll find a kitchen equipped with chrome-finished appliances, hardwood cabinetry, a dual sink, a dinette ensemble, and even a washer and dryer, all set upon a polished porcelain tile floor. The interior exudes luxury and sophistication, making every journey a pleasurable experience. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring LED lighting, a sleep number mattress, ample storage space, and an entertainment center to unwind after a day of adventure. With all these amenities on board, the price tag of $738,645 seems more than justified for the unparalleled luxury and convenience offered by the Newmar King Aire. Number 5. Country Coach Prevost. The Country Coach Prevost is an RV that seamlessly blends a stunning aerodynamic aesthetic with an abundance of luxurious amenities, promising some of the finest travel experiences worldwide. Each room is meticulously decorated with elegant furnishings, including luxurious cedar wood, exquisite porcelain, and pristine quartz countertops. Top-notch appliances further enhance the luxurious ambiance, ensuring that every aspect of your journey is nothing short of perfection. From spacious living areas to opulent bedrooms, the Country Coach Prevost feels like a true home on wheels, offering unparalleled comfort and sophistication. However, perfection comes at a price, and the Country Coach Prevost commands a whopping $1 million. But for those who demand the very best in travel experiences, this extraordinary RV is worth every penny. Number 4. Foretravel IH-45 Luxury Motor Coach. Meet the Foretravel IH-45 Luxury Motor Coach, where luxury meets customization in every detail. Each model is meticulously crafted with custom designs both inside and out, tailored to suit the taste and style of its future owner. But what truly sets the Foretravel IH-45 apart is its unparalleled engineering. Built on a custom-designed chassis reminiscent of those used in aviation, this RV ensures a remarkably quiet ride by distributing vibrations through the subfloor, floor, walls, and roof. The cabin and walls are constructed with steel rather than aluminum, enhancing durability and robustness. Equipped with top-of-the-line features, including a 20,000 kilowatt generator, the best RV battery on the market, air disc brake on all wheels, and a hydronic heating system, the Foretravel IH-45 offers unmatched comfort, safety, and performance on the road. And for those seeking even more luxury, optional features can be added to further elevate the travel experience. Number 3. Prevost H3-45 VIP. The Prevost H3-45 VIP is a motorhome that lives up to its slogan of tallest, roomiest, and proudest by exceeding all expectations. This luxurious RV boasts a higher cabin floor, providing better views and maximizing storage space. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sleek and modern interior featuring wooden floors, plush sofas, chairs, a small desk, a fully equipped kitchen, and a luxurious bedroom. With its attention to detail and impeccable design, the Prevost H3-45 VIP stands out as one of the most comfortable and visually stunning RVs on the market. Priced at a staggering $1.6 million, this motorhome represents luxury and sophistication, making it a coveted choice for discerning travelers who demand nothing but the best. Number 2. Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus. The Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus is a true masterpiece on wheels, crafted from a Prevost bus shell and adorned with some of the most luxurious materials known to man. From rare Inca marble to copper, pearlized Italian leather, Sapele Pomel from Africa, Swarovski crystals, onyx, and Schonbeck crystal, the interior of this RV is a testament to extravagance and sophistication. But it's not just about looks. The amenities are equally impressive. Featuring a stainless steel dishwasher, sub-zero refrigerator, plasma TV, built-in treadmill, and a cutting-edge driving helm complete with AVIC N2 GPS, offering real-time traffic and weather alerts, the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus leaves nothing to be desired. And for those who like to travel in style, there is even a garage slide-out for your sports car. Number 1. Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo. The Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo stands as a true marvel of engineering, seamlessly blending elements from motorsport, aviation, and yachting to deliver the ultimate motorhome experience. Its high-performance carbon fiber exterior not only exudes style, but also offers unparalleled functionality, setting new standards for luxury and sophistication in the industry. Boasting a wall thickness exceeding 60 millimeters and a sky lounge providing a full panoramic view, the EleMMent Palazzo lets you embark on adventures to any destination, whether it's rugged off-road terrain or serene corners of the globe, all while enjoying breathtaking vistas from the comfort of your RV. Access to the top deck is effortlessly provided via a convenient stairwell, enhancing the overall convenience and versatility of the vehicle. Inside, the EleMMent Palazzo offers a spacious interior featuring a 4-meter couch area, complete with a bar, wine cabinet, ice maker, and large TV screen for entertainment. A nearby kitchenette ensures that all your culinary desires are catered to while on the move. With its remarkable features and a staggering price tag of $3 million, the Marchi mobile EleMMent Palazzo redefines luxury travel, solidifying its position as the most impressive and expensive motorhome available today.